y'all, so I threw the camera on. Don't look at my. I threw the camera on because I did a hairstyle that I realized was like it's gonna be way too flat, so my braid out, and so I'm just like quickly turn on the camera and half doing a perm rod set. And I was like, you know, we're just gonna film the experience. Is this gonna work? Can I have my hair dry within the next 30 minutes? We're gonna see. So yeah, basically this was a braid out and it's just way too flat. So we're gonna make this work. And I'm doing way bigger sections. I'm not using as much mousse. That's one of the things we talked about in that one video. When you're doing your hair at the last minute, that's what y'all seeing right here. Chop, chop, chop. And I'm not going all the way up. Halfway, barely putting any mousse. I'm not smoothing it out. We ain't got time for none of that. We're just gonna really hope that we tuck them ends in good as we can and go from there. Life. It's one of those like, you knew better. I knew better. And now we're gonna see if this helps or hurts me. Yep, just taking a section of hair. So like I said, it was in a braid out, but I'm not doing 3 per thing. I'm just doing 2. So whichever section is the smaller one, we combine those together. Just chop, chop, chop. I know better. I know better. When you know better, you're supposed to do better. That's what they say, right? Why are you trying to play me? Thank you. Because it's the front, I'm gonna try to get a little bit more defined. I need to do that to the other side too. Yeah, we're just this really would test my perm rod set queen title, because yeah, this is rough. Look, it's not neat at all. We're gonna try to tuck that in there, roll it. Combining those two together. Be a big section, but that's all right. I was basically trying to avoid putting more product in my hair, but it was just way too flat. That was not gonna work. So here we are. Y'all know it's real, because I do not do my perm rod sets like this. You know, we go in a particular order. We start from the back, go to the front. I'm all over the place. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer. Hopefully 20 minutes works in this case, because like I said, it's not even the whole section. Like, we just doing the ends. The roots don't even matter. So hopefully it doesn't take too long to dry. I also need to do my makeup. I'm legit what we just talked about in that other video. Doing something at the last minute. And where I need to go ain't close. Oh no, come on, not today, not today. We don't have time for things to be popping off, okay? Go for that one, we're almost there. Wow, probably the fastest perm rod I've ever done in my life. We just want some type of curl, okay? Ah, good job today, good job. This side definitely has less perm rods, which slightly concerns me, because I need this to match in volume. We're just gonna see how it looks. Now I'm gonna sit on my dryer. This blow dryer, where are you? Am I hidden stash back there? Okay. I'm about to do a whole bunch of stuff while sitting down. I'm gonna dry my hair. I'm gonna also put on makeup. And yeah, go from there. I like to sit this on a chair while I'm doing this. Move this out my way. I'm also hungry, so I grab something to eat. I feel like I should redo this. I feel like I should make this tighter. So yeah, let the process begin. Yeah, this is the life of like rushing. That's a blanket right there. Got my bonnet dryer. Usually I sit it on something, but I got nothing to sit it on. I'm not suggest to put this right here, but it's what it is, ain't what it ain't. I'm gonna just keep them in my hair and take them out when I get there. I just feel like that's a better move. I'm gonna make sure I bring a snappy hair tie just in case it's terrible. And go from there. I'm gonna put this on as my necklace, and I'm gonna just put these earrings on right here, and then I'm gonna probably throw this ring on. It's a little broke. Should we layer? We should always layer. We're gonna do those two. And I'm gonna just throw a jacket on. I'm keeping it simple. We're keeping the outfit super duper regular. Okay, this is all I got to offer. Jean jacket, black pants. Yeah, did y'all see it? Little lip balm for the people. I should need to find it. And I need to blow my nose. All this sniffling. Okay, we're gonna stack that right on top. All right, so we do a little layer with that. Got the black pants on. Okay, and that's what we are working with. Super simple, and I'm gonna throw my gym shoes on. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna put these on and call it a day. You know, I look like something. Okay, let's check one of these. And for me, if this side is dry, this side definitely gotta be dry. So never mind, we're doing it right now. I'd rather know what my hair look like before I leave. You know, my hearts of hearts. So I'll set it in the dryer for about 25 minutes. I wouldn't always suggest that to people at all. The back be trying to play me, and that's where the nozzle hit. So you would think the back would do what it need to do. So we got a little curl, y'all see it? We got a little curl action going on. Okay, so here's the before I separate. Oh, did I miss one? Feels like it. All right, let's separate. This will let us know how we really did. It's definitely time for me to go. Definitely don't know where I put my phone when I came in here. It's kind of rushing. It definitely feels like I rushed because, you know, I didn't like smooth it out so everything can be nice and smooth and flat on the ride. It definitely feels like, okay, you didn't do that. So when I'm separating, it's kind of tugging. It's kind of tugging. You heard that? Ah! I think we can play this off though. Always smooth your hair beforehand, because if you gotta separate this, you done did all that work. I'm seeing with my experience. Potentially can have frizzy ends because you didn't smooth it out first on the ride. But you know, I couldn't do. And we're gonna distract it by fluffing it. You know how it be. People think our hair cute even when we think It's a hot diggity dog mess. I would typically fluff more, but I gotta go. So I'm gonna fluff in the car. And I'm gonna show y'all how I look by the time I get there. All right, so I'm ready to go. And yeah, this is my final look, y'all.
Can you like show me like leaning and then lean up on it?
There's one part left.
You ain't gonna never, ever get your lemon butter.
We only have one pie left.
Hey, all right.
I don't have my makeup on anymore, but I wanted to show y'all what it looked like when I got back home. Cute, right? But yeah, it definitely worked out for what I had to do. But in real life, it wasn't gonna last that long. But y'all see, it's possible. Just don't know if I would recommend it, you know. Yeah, that was, like I said, rushed, and this is not gonna last that long. I can still, what is it called? I can still band it and stuff and try to see how long it lasts, but you know, I'm trying to get some videos out for y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on up, do something else to it, and go from there. Okay, great. Let me know your experience or your story when you have done something at the last minute. Did it go well? Did it not? Talk to me. This is like, if I had to give it a 1 out of 10, this is like a 6. But we're gonna make it work. But yeah, so I hope you found this video educating, a little entertaining. Let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.